Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 31 of SOM series. If you have not watched my earlier video, you can go in description and watch my earlier video first. And before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find arc length, that is part 3 of SOM series. That link also you can get in description. In our last section, we discussed question 30 of SOM series, that is this question. This is question 30 that we discussed in our last section. If you want to see this question, then you can find the link in description. So our question 31 is, find the length of the area of 24xy is equal to x raised to 4 plus 48 from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. So we have to find the arc length of this curve. Limit are given in form of x. So formula of arc length is L is equal to integration from a to b under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square. How I wrote this formula, if you want to know, then you can watch part 3 in which I have explained the length of arc, how to find the length. So you can watch that. So now we are given 24xy is equal to x raised to 4 plus 48. Let's convert this in form of y. So y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 48 upon 24x, that is equal to x cube upon 24 plus 24 into 2 48. So we can write 2 upon x. So our y is x cube upon 24 plus 2 upon x. Now we have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to, now derivate this term with respect to x. So we get 3x square upon 24 plus 2 into x raised to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So it will be minus 2 and minus 1 will come ahead. So into minus 1, that is equal to x square upon 3 into 8. Here minus will come ahead, so minus 2 upon x square. So this we got dy upon dx. Now let's find dy upon dx whole square. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to this term square. So this is a minus b whole square. So let's write once. So x square minus 8 minus 2 upon x square whole square, that is equal to x raised to 4 upon 8 square minus 2 into x square upon 8 into 2 upon x square plus 2 upon x square whole square. So when we will solve this term, so we get dy upon dx whole square is equal to x raised to 4 upon 8 square. Let's write last term first, plus 2 square upon x raised to 4. And now solving x square will get cancelled, and 2 2s are 4. 4 into 8, so it will be minus 1 by 2. Our third step is dy upon dx whole square plus 1. Now adding 1, we can clearly see minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will be x raised to 4 upon 8 square plus 2 square upon x raised to 4, and when we add 1 we will get plus 1 by 2. Now can we write this term in term of whole square form? Yeah, of course we can write. We know that this term we can write this term as x raised to x square upon 8 into 2 upon x square 2 into, that is equal to 1 by 2. This we will get 1 by 2. So we can write this term as x square upon 8 minus 2 upon x square. Here what will be the change? Here it will get plus, because by adding plus 1 we get plus 1 by 2 instead of minus 1 by 2. So when we will convert in square form, so this will be plus and rest will remain as it is. So this we got dy upon dx whole square plus 1 and whole square is equal to this term. Now integration, we are given x from x belongs to 2 to 4. So length is equal to integration from 2 to 4, and we have already found the square, and when we will do the root, square and root will get cancelled. So here term will be x square upon 8 plus 2 upon x square into dx. Now integrate this term, so we get this is equal to, let's integrate first this term. So we get x raised to 2 plus 1 3 upon 8 into 3. Its limit are from 2 to 4. I am doing separately integration. Plus 2, when we will take x square upper side we will get x raised to minus 1, x raised to minus 2, and x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Its limit are also from 2 to 4. Now put the limit. So we get upper limit minus lower limit. So we get 4 cube upon 8 into 3 minus 2 cube upon 8 into 3 plus, here it will be, let's take out this term outside, minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So minus we can write into, put upper limit, so it will get 4 raised to minus 1 minus 2 into lower limit 2 raised to minus 1, that is equal to, let's take out 8 3s are 24 outside, so we get 1 upon 8 3s are 24. 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 8, 2 cube is 8 minus, this will be 2 upon 4 minus 2 upon 2. So 64 minus 8 is 56 upon 24 minus, here it will be 1 upon 2 minus 1. So this will be minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 2. When we will, 4 is common, we can clearly see. So 14 into 4 56, and 4 6 are 4 into 6 6 4s are 24, and here it was minus, it will get plus 1 by 2. We can further cancel this, so we get 2 into 7 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Now take the LCM, so we get 40 plus 3 by 6, that is equal to 17 by 6. So 17 by 6 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.